Hi, good day guys. What I'd like to show you today is ANTMINER L7. This is the brand new device for Litecoin and Dogecoin mining. Right now we have a few stocks in our place in Shenzhen. The ANTMINER L7, the casing is same with the ANTMINER S19 Pro. You see the same fan, same hot wire, even the same casing. Right now there are 3 hash rate options for this device. The first one is Lite300M. The second one is the Lite050M. The last one is 8800M hash rate. This is Lite300M hash rate. This is Lite050M hash rate. This is 8800M hash rate. The profitability from Lite050M hash rate, the mining income is around $15 per day. I will show you how about testing these devices later. Okay, so thanks for watching today. Hope to see you again. Bye.